Hey Chantal, I'm just going to do a quick back office tour so you can I'll show you how to set things up and what to click on, okay? So it'll be a lot easier. So just let me share my screen. I'm just going to use one of my back offices. All right, so this is just my back office. So when you first log into your account, obviously using your email and the password that I provided, if you click on this your person up here, your name, then just go to settings. And then go to security. So in here, um, you can edit and change your password, or you can just leave it as we've got, that's fine. You want to do email verification. So if you just click on, it's going to have the button there blue. So if you just click on enabled, it's going to ask you to send a code to your email, and then there'll be a code. You just type in the code and they'll accept that. And then down here, if you want to use your Google Authenticator for your account for security, you can just set that up. So you just over here, you'll just click like submit or whatever the button is, and it'll just ask you to scan it with your phone and do your 2FA. If you don't have to do that, we can do that another time, so that's no drama. And then down here will just be your 2FA, which is your Google Authenticator verification login. So when you go to log in, it's going to ask for your email. It's going to ask you to send a code to your email in your login page, and then it will ask you for a 2FA. So you don't have to have them, but it's just extra security for your account. So we try to advise people to do it, but if you have any dramas, just let us know. But yeah, you can just go through those steps, and that's look, that's pretty simple. But for that NFT that I was bought on your computer, if you go over here and with your mouse, you can see everything that lights up, right? So we chose the gaming hub for you, which is the Lotto Day. So if you go down to my hubs here, just let that load. Obviously, this is my account, so you're going to see different things to what you have. But on yours, when you click on my hubs, just scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see the picture of what I've just did for you. So you can see here that I've got all different NFTs that I've bought over the time. So on yours, you're going to have your NFT. It's going to say Lotto Day. So if you went up to, if I've got a Lotto Day one here, it says here that I've got a 500. It says here the date it was purchased, and then it's got here the revenue share points. So it's probably going to be quite confusing for you, but see here Gaming Hub rewards. So this is what it's earning, right? So it's only small amounts at the start, but it is going to get bigger as more people are going to buy in. So that just gives you an idea of what what's turning over every day for you. But that's about it. I mean, you don't have to do anything. It just runs itself, does its own thing. That just gives you all the details of where your NFT is. Now, if you had said, right, I wanted to look up my NFT details, this order ID here, you could copy and paste this order ID, and then I'll send you through a link which is called ULX Scan. Now, with the site called ULX Scan, if we type in this order number, it gives us all our details on the NFT that we've bought, the transactions, on the revenue, how much it's making. We've got every information on the blockchain, everything. So if this back office went down, doesn't matter, because we can access everything off the blockchain. So it's much more powerful. So yeah, that's your order ID if you want to look at that. And then we've got other links as well for the market and stuff like that. So I won't go too heavy at the moment. This is just log in, see where your NFTs, you can see what it's making. Obviously, this is all the staking stuff, but that's about it. Over here, just click on things and have a look around. So if you went into the gaming hub, which is where I bought your NFT, you can see all the list of the NFTs. So obviously you've got high one, which is 100,000, and it goes all right down to the 100. So that's the one we bought for you. And then also was the $49 back office fee. So that's all the different ones there. You know, you've got your payment hub, which is a flip me. Same thing, all your different NFTs. Okay. So you've got all the access there. My hubs, it's going to have your orders. So the orders is going to show you all the different ones that we've bought. On yours, it's just going to have the one because we've just done the one so far. And then you've got your earnings. which is more from commission. This is more about commission. So if I've earned over 12,000 in commissions from people that have come into the business, and then obviously whatever's in the USD balance, I can withdraw that anytime. That only charges $5 on any withdrawal. So obviously I'll let that bigger, and you've got all your different team bonuses from what people have bought and bits and pieces over here. And then here you've got my team. So if people are building a business, you can see here of how much volume I've got between your left and your right team. But look, that's about it really. So that's pretty straightforward. These are just promotions. If you earn enough points, you can win a cruise. Barcelona's got an event in October. Bangkok's coming up soon as well. So, there's lots to do on this business, which is good. But for passive earners, you just buy your NFT and you sit back. You just sit back and look at it and watch it. So, okay. So that gives you an idea of where everything is. And yeah, like I said, get stuck, and I can run over things with you. What I'll do now is I'll add you into that group chat as well, and then you can just scroll through and you can see all the stuff that I've been adding in there. There's going to be videos of international calls and lots of stuff. So I'll leave that with you, and we will chat soon.